Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Stanley SG 4200B-1 generator is designed to reliably and safely power electrical equipment in domestic, professional, and construction environments. With a maximum single-phase output of 4.3 kilowatts, it provides stable support for devices of varying power levels. Thanks to the integration of the AVR system, this generator maintains a steady voltage, protecting sensitive electronic equipment from potential power surges, even in case of load variations. Equipped with a 389 cubic centimeter gasoline engine and a 25-liter fuel tank, it offers extended autonomy, reducing the need for frequent refueling. The wheeled structure, combined with robust wheels and a convenient folding handle, makes it easy to transport even on rough terrain. Compact and durable, the Stanley SG 4200B-1 generator is ideal for intensive use, offering a reliable and versatile solution for continuous or occasional power needs. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.